Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining today's webinar. I'm happy to see you all. We'll wait a few seconds and then start. Okay, let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to today's session on digital banking remanagement. My name is Ivan Ordenko and I'm head of partnership at Trusty Plus. I'm really excited to be here to talk to you about the future of finance and how you can take advantage of it starting today. Over the next 30-40 minutes, we are going to explore why traditional banking is struggling to keep up with the speed and demands of the modern world. Why cryptocurrency offers a solution to many of these challenges, and how Trusty Plus acts as a perfect bridge between fiat and crypto, making it practical for everyday use. By the end of the session, you will understand how digital banking 2.0 works and how you can start using cryptocurrency for payments, savings, and transfers without the usual complexity and friction. Here's our agenda for today. First, we will define the problem, why traditional banking is struggling to keep up. Then we'll look at the shift, how cryptocurrency solves speed, cost, and access challenges. Next, I will introduce Trusty Plus as the ideal bridge between traditional finance and crypto. And finally, we will see payments in action, including real-world examples and case studies. Let's start with the problem. The traditional banking system, which has served us for decades, is struggling to keep up in today's fast-moving global digital world. On the next slide, we will look at the friction and limitation that make moving money slow, costly, and complicated. The first thing to understand is that moving money is not easy or as fast as we would expect in 2025. Even a simple bank transfer across border can take 3-5 days. This is true whether you're sending money for personal reason, like helping a family member, or for business purpose, like paying an international supplier. It's not only about time, it's also about cost. Bank charge many fees, and they add up quickly. Access is another major issue. Not everyone can open a bank account. Geography, documentation, and bank hours limit your access to your own money. Final legacy system create friction. Old infrastructure doesn't integrate well with the modern digital economy. Banks are still using systems built decades ago, designed for an era before instant messaging, online shopping, or global freelance work existed. It's in short, traditional finance is slow, expensive, and hard to use. Let's think about daily life today. We live in a fast digital world. Need a ride, Uber arrives in a minute. Want to watch a movie, Netflix plays it instantly. Want to check messages, it takes seconds. Technology has made us expect speed, but money works differently. The systems that move money, like SWIFT, were built decades ago in the 1970s. They were not made for instant digital global payments. They were created long before the internet, smartphones, or email. This creates a problem. Our lives are fast and digital, but money still runs on an old system. Simple action like paying a friend or sending money abroad can take days. They can also cost more and feel complicated. This is digital disconnect. We live in the future, but our money still moves at yesterday's speed. And this is what modern financial technology is trying to fix. Let's look at why sending money is so slow. Many people think money moves instantly. In reality, it doesn't. When you send money, your bank doesn't not send it directly. The money goes through other bank first. They are called correspondent bank. Your bank sends the money to one bank, that bank may send it to another. Only after that does it reach the recipient's bank. Each step can cause delays. Money can wait to be processed. Sometimes it's not clear where the money is or where it will move. Weekends and bank holidays make it slower. If banks are closed, the transfer stops. Because of this, transfers that should take seconds can take days. Money moves slowly because there are too many middlemen and old systems. These systems were not built for a fast digital world. So the problem is not distance or amount, the problem is the process itself. This is why modern financial technology is working to make payments faster and simple. As we mentioned earlier, let's look at why international transfer are so expensive. Imagine you send $1,000 to another country. How much does the other person get? Often only about $950, sometimes less. Why? There are two types of fees. Some are easy to see. These are bank transfers fee, usually between $25 and $50. Other fees are harder to see. Other banks take small amount along the way. The exchange rate is also worse than it looks. All of this reduces the final amount. This fees matter. They make your money worth less. Every transfer means you pay just to move your own money. So the issue is not only time, money is also lost along the way. This is how traditional banking works today. And this is why new financial technology is built to be faster, cheaper, and clearer. Finally, let's talk about access to financial services. Today, billions of people around the world still cannot fully use bank service. Why? Geography plays a big role. If you live in a remote area, your options are limited. Documentation is another barrier. Without the right papers, many people simply cannot open a bank account. And even when you can, traditional banking is bound by hours of operation, holidays, and local regulations. Next, there is a problem of complicated process. Sending money, paying bills, or converting currencies often involves multiple steps. For example, going through several banks, each step adds time and cost, making access to your own money slower and more frustrating than it should be. There are separate systems, even today, interacting between traditional fiat banking and cryptocurrencies usually require several separate tools, account or platforms. You can just move money seamlessly between these worlds without extra effort, which adds friction and complexity. In short, traditional banking works like a walled garden. It's restrictive, slow, and often costly. What we need is a simple, open gateway that gives people easy access to their money without barriers, delays, or unnecessary complexity. Financial freedom means having control and access whenever and wherever you need it. The crypto advantage. Now that we've seen the limits of traditional banks, let's change focus. I want to show you how cryptocurrency can actually solve these problems. Crypto solves three main issues: speed, freedom, and global reach. First, speed. Transactions happen in seconds, not days. You can send money anywhere in the world instantly without waiting for banks, hours, or middlemen. Second, freedom. Crypto works 24/7 all year. No bank branch, credit check, or special permission is needed. Your money moves when you and where you want. Third, stability. Stable coins like USDT or USDC mix blockchain speed with the reliability of normal money. You get fast payments without big price swing. Crypto isn't perfect for everyone yet. Things like wallets, seed prices, gas fees, and blockchain networks can be confusing. It all you want is to pay for coffee or for your bill. This is where solutions like Trusty Plus help. They make crypto simple, safe, and easily to everyday use. Let's talk about speed. One of crypto's biggest advantages. In traditional banks, sending money can take a long time. For example, if you want to send 10 million to another country, it might take days before the money arrives. Even normal transfers can be delayed by middlemen, bank hours, and settlement process. And now think about crypto. Transactions happen in a seconds, no matter the amount or the day of the week. Why? Because there are no middlemen. Crypto works on a peer-to-peer network called the blockchain. Once a transaction is confirmed, the money is immediately ready for the recipient. Imagine this: you're in Berlin and need to pay a supplier in Tokyo. With a normal bank, it could take days and cost fees at every step. With crypto, the payment is instant and the supplier can use this money right away. In short, crypto turns money from something slow and dependent on banks into something fast, easy, and immediate, no matter where you are in the world. So access is another big advantage of cryptocurrency. Traditional banks have many problems: business hours, holidays, location restriction, and paperwork. Often you even need to visit the bank in person to solve the problem. The blockchain has no limits, it never sleeps. Anyone with an internet connection can use it anywhere in the world. Berlin, Rome, Bali, you don't need a bank permission, a credit check, or special documents. Your money is fully under your control whenever you need it. This is revolutionary. Millions of people who were left out of traditional banking can now join the global economy. They can send money instantly, manage their saving, or pay for services without middlemen. In short, crypto doesn't just make money faster, it gives people freedom and control over their finance, something banks have never fully provided. One common concern about cryptocurrency is familiarity. People often say, I like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but their price changed too much. How can I use them to pay rent, buy groceries, or pay subscription? And they're right. Bitcoin and Ethereum are great, but their value can change a lot in a short time. One day your money is worth $1,000, the next day $900. This makes them hard to use for everyday spending. This is where stablecoins help. Stablecoins are digital currencies pegged one-to-one to regular money, like the US dollar. That means $1 in stablecoin, for example, USDC, is always worth $1 in real money. You get the speed, security, and transparency of crypto plus the stability of normal money. With stablecoins, you can hold money, you can pay bills, send funds abroad, or run a business without worrying about big value changes. Your money won't lose 10% overnight. You can use it like cash or bank account, but faster, cheaper, and borderless. For example, you can send money to your family overseas, knowing the full amount will arrive safely. Stable coins make this transaction simple and reliable while staying in the crypto world. Crypto is fast, cheap, and global, but it's still hard to use in everyday life. Why? Because it's complicated and most places don't accept it directly. For new users, crypto can feel confusing. There's seed phrases, private key, different blockchain networks, and fees that are hard to understand. Want to pay for a coffee or a bill? Usually you can't. Often you first need to find an exchange to convert crypto into regular money. Every extra step takes time, costs more, and adds frustration. The process is messy. Crypto wallet, exchange, bank, card, or cash. Every step slows things down and makes it harder to use crypto in real life. This is called the last mile problem, how to make advanced technology easy for everyone. A solution like Trusty Plus solves this. Crypto and Fiat in one app. You can hold, swap, send, and pay instantly. The app handles the complicated stuff in the background, while using your money is simple. In short, Trusty Plus makes crypto easy. You get spend, global access, and stable digital money without all the headaches. That's why that's what makes digital banking 2.0 real. Here is the heart of digital banking 2.0. Trusty Plus is a bridge between your crypto and your of everyday life. Imagine you have Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum in your wallet. Normally, using it for daily payments would be complicated. You would need to go through exchanges, conversion, and bank transfer. With Trusty Plus, it's simple. You top up your crypto in the app, in our crypto wallet, and when you pay for coffee or something else, it's automatically converted to fiat in real time. On the slide, you can see flow, crypto, our wallet, and payment. The conversion happens in the background, so you don't have to think about it. Everything is fast, clear, and easy to manage right from your phone. And of course, you can scan the QR on the slide to explore the platform and get started yourself. This slide shows the key advantage of Trusty Plus: simplicity. We want crypto to be so easy that even your grandma could use it without stress. Imagine you're paying with crypto, and Trusty Plus automatically converts it into the local currency of the country where the payment is happening. The payment goes through instantly and successfully, just like you pay with any another card. Let me explain in detail. Crypto can be sent, swapped, and spent just like a normal banking apps. Fees are very low, only 0.5% per swap. By comparison, most banks and crypto platforms charge much higher fees, often hidden, which eat into your money. This demonstrates that cryptocurrency doesn't need to be technical or confusing anymore. All a person needs is a Trusty Plus account and some crypto in their wallet. When they make a payment, Trusty Plus takes care of or everything. It's like real magic. Next, about travel with Trusty Plus. So let's talk about travel at all. Our new travel booking service within the Trusty ecosystem. With Trusty Travel, you can book from over 1 million hotels worldwide, all in one place, directly from your app and website. You can often pay up to 60% less than on other platforms. And if you see Trusty Pay, and if you use Trusty Pay, you get an additional 4% discount. We launched Trusty Plus, Trusty Travel not too long ago, and already we are seeing great users, activity, and engagement. It's a perfect complement to Trusty Plus, showing how our ecosystem makes everyday life smoother. On the slide, there is a QR code that gives you exclusive access to the website with discounts. And if you haven't booked your holiday or vacation hotels yet, now is a perfect chance. With Trusty, you can travel without borders, powered by crypto, simple, fast, and convenient for everyone. Trusty Plus is more than a crypto wallet. It's a full financial system in your pocket, designed to make digital money easy, fast, and secure. You can keep Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoin safely in your account. Multi-level encryption protect your funds so you can manage them confidently. You can exchange crypto instantly with low 0.5 fees. It's faster and cheaper than traditional exchanges. You can use your crypto for everyday purchase anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Conversion happens automatically, so payments are smooth, just like a regular card. And you also do is instant transfer between Trusty Plus user with 0 fees, send money to friends, family, or collect in seconds. Altogether, Trusty Plus lets you hold swap, spend, and transfer, making crypto practical and usable in daily life. It's fast, accessible, and gives you freedom with your digital money. Managing crypto starts with trust. Trusty Plus offers institutional level protect right on your phone, so you can store, exchange, and manage dozens of assets in one place. Your full digital portfolio is always at your fingertips. You can easily add funds via different crypto wallet exchanges or cards, completely free. You have access up to 70,000 trading pairs directly in the app. Automatic conversion let you swap assets and diversity your portfolio quickly without leaving Trusty Plus. In short, Trusty Plus not only keeps your money secure, but also lets you fully operate your wallet, store, exchange, and manage crypto anytime and anywhere. Let's dive deeper into the swap functionality. Trusty Plus always allow you to exchange cryptocurrencies and stablecoins instantly. All swaps have fair rates with a transferred 0.5 fee and no hidden costs. Everything happens inside the app. You don't need a third-party platform or manual transfers. This feature is flexible and fast. You can convert multiple assets instantly and use the funds immediately. Smart swaps simplify crypto management, making it as easy as using any regular banking apps. Now let's move to the second and main key feature, the Trusty Plus virtual card. It turns your digital assets into real-world spending power and works wherever MasterCard is accepted. Over 60 million terminals worldwide. When you pay, your USDC is automatically converted to the local currency at the point of sale. You can also add the card instantly to Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payments. Plus, the card comes with a monthly limit of 50,000 euros, giving you plenty of flexibility for a large purchase. This is how Trusty Plus makes crypto practical for everyday life, giving you speed, convenience, and financial freedom all in one card. And Trusty Plus have a zero fee ecosystem of 0% stable for stablecoin swaps, 0% for crypto deposits, 0% for international transfers, 0% maintenance fees, and 0.5% for crypto exchanges. Real life powered by crypto, real world examples of how crypto becomes effortless. So first case, let's move from features to real life because technology only matters when it actually works in everyday scenarios. Imagine a digital professional, a developer, designer, or marketer who gets paid in USDC. Instead of waiting for bank transfers, they receive instantly 2000 USDC directly into their Trusty Plus account. What happens next is the key difference. They don't need to cash out manually. They don't need to move funds through multiple platforms. All he needs to do is issue a virtual card. After that, Trusty Plus automatically convert the USDC to euros at checkout. The user keeps full control over their money while still living a normal financial life, paying rent, shopping online, or buying coffee just like every day else. This is what financial freedom actually looks like in practice. Case second, it's about funding a broker. So with Trusty Plus, it's much simpler to fund interactive brokers, eToro, on or any another platform. Just send euros directly for your Trusty Plus IBAN. This makes life easier for everyone who invests or trades across multiple platforms, removing one of the biggest headaches, moving money. Third case is about travel. Now let's talk about mobility. Many people today live globally. They travel, relocate, or work remotely. With Trusty Plus, you can keep your saving in USDC and travel anywhere in the world. When you arrive in a new country, you simply pay with your virtual card. At the point of sale, USDC is automatically converted into the local currency. There are no foreign exchange fees and no need to carry cash. This means your money travels with you at the same speed and cost no matter where you. Your financial life becomes truly borderless. First case about booking hotels. Travel is not just about payments, it's also about cost efficiency. Through Trusty Travel, users get access to more than 1 million hotels worldwide. Prices are often up to 60% lower than what you see on major travel platforms. And if you pay using Trusty Pay, you receive an additional 4% discount on your booking. These are real saving, not promotional tricks. So instead of converting crypto to fiat, moving it to bank and they then booking through a third-party platform, everything happens in one ecosystem. You pay with crypto and immediately get more value for your money. Five case is about everyday use. This case is especially relevant for people living between countries. Imagine you work in one country and your family lives in another. With traditional banking, sending money internationally is slow, expensive, and full of friction. With Trusty Plus, you can send USDC to your family instantly with a 0% fee. They can either use the crypto directly or convert it into euros and send it further if needed. Transfers are instant, fees are zero, and the process works the same way every time, regardless of borders. And final case, it's also about everyday life, like coffee, Uber rides, groceries, subscriptions. All of these are small payments. Traditionally, crypto was never practical for this. With Trusty Plus, stablecoins like USDC become a truly everyday payment tool. You pay directly with crypto, and conversion happens automatically in the background. As this is one of the strongest real-life use cases for stablecoins, predictable value, instant settlement, and seamless spending. At this point, crypto stops being an investment, only assets, and becomes really money. So let's wrap everything up and take a step back. Traditional banking is simply too slow and too expensive for today's global digital world. It was built decades ago in an era before instant messaging, online shopping, or remote work existed. Back then, delays or days and extra fees made sense, but today they feel outdated and frustrating. Crypto solves many of these problems. It offers speed, borderless access, and efficiency. You can send money instantly across the globe, manage your funds anytime, and avoid unnecessary fees. But there's a catch. Crypto is only useful if it's easy to use. Without the right tools, it can feel complex, intermediate, and disconnected from real life spending. Many people still struggle with wallets, exchanges, and blockchain networks. This is where Trusty Plus come in. It's a tool that removes complexity and brings crypto into everyday life. It connects fiat and crypto seamlessly, lets you spend, swap, and transfer assets instantly, and makes the whole process safe. With Trusty Plus, crypto stops being an abstract investment, it becomes real money you can use today. This isn't about the future 10 years from now. This is about what you can start using today, right from your phone. You don't need to wait, your digital assets can already become practical, fast, and secure. If you take just one thing away from this presentation, is that the future of finance is here, and it's already in your pocket with Trusty Plus. If this vision resonates with you, the next step is simple. Download the Trusty Plus app, register your card, and start managing your money in a smarter way. You can scan the QR code on the screen or visit our website at trustyglobal.eu, and in just a few minutes you can move from legacy banking to banking 2.0. Thank you, and welcome to the future of finance. So it's all. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you have any questions, I will happy to answer of them. Hi, you mentioned legacy system as a main bottleneck in your option. Will traditional banks ever be able to upgrade their infrastructure, or are they fundamentally stuck in the 1970s rails? I think all banking systems were made for a time when payments were slow, local, and persist in batches. This old design still runs most big banks today. Can banks upgrade it? Partly yes, but completely replacing the core system is very hard and risky because everything is connected: rules, reports, and international processes. What banks usually do is add new apps or interface on top of the old system. This makes it look better, but it doesn't make payment faster or cheaper, I think. That's why crypto platforms exist alongside banks. They don't rely on old system. Platforms like Trusty Plus start from a clean digital first base, which allows real money payments that all banks still struggle to provide. Okay, how do you see the role of SWIFT changing over the next 5 years as the demand for money at the speed of data increases? I think SWIFT is not going away, but its role is changing. Today, SWIFT mostly sends messages between banks. It doesn't actually move money by itself. Because of this, even local transfers in some countries can take hours, and international payments often take days. The reason is simple. There are many banks in between different time zones and a lot of manual work. This also leads to delays and unclear fees, which is frustrating for people and business sending money abroad. In the next few years, SWIFT will likely focus on rules, compliance, and communication between large institutions. It will remain important for big regulated transfers. But for everyday users and businesses that need fast payments, other solution will keep growing. This is where crypto and modern platforms like Trusty Plus come in. With them, people can store money in crypto or stablecoins and send funds to almost any countries in minutes. So what we see today is a clear split. SWIFT is used for large institutional transfers, while new system handle fast, real-time payments. Platforms like Trusty Plus connect these worlds and make global payments easy for everyday use to pay and receive money, or move money with, for example, long waits, complex systems, or hidden fees. This technology is already here. Rules are catching up, and users can finally experience payments that work as fast as the digital world around them. Do you think stablecoins like USDT and USDC will eventually replace traditional fiat currencies for everyday international business transaction? I don't think stablecoins will fully replace fiat currency, at least not in the sense of governments issuing money. But I do believe they will increasingly replace fiat rails for international transactions. For businesses, what matters most is practicability, speed, and cost, stablecoins already offer dollars. But with near instant settlement and global reach, that's incredibly powerful for cross-border payments, payroll, and supplier settlements. In practice, many companies already treat stablecoins as digital cash. They hold value in USDC, for example, or in another crypto, and move it globally, and only convert to fiat at the very last moment, often using platform that abstract the crypto complexity away. This hybrid model is likely the future, where fiat remains the unit of account, but stablecoins become the transport layer, I think. You spoke about permissionless finance. How close are we to do a world where a smartphone is the only thing a person needs to participate in the global economy? We are actually closer than most people think, and in some products that future already exist. From a technical perspective, a smartphone is already enough to store value secure, move money globally, and pay in the real world. What really matters now is not the technology itself, but trust and usability. People don't want to deal with private keys, gas fees, or blockchain mechanics. They want money that is safe, accessible, and works everywhere. This is exactly where platforms like Trusty Plus come in. Users can safely store funds in crypto, keep value in stable coins, and at the same time pay with a card just like with traditional bank, without feeling like they're using crypto at all. As a regulation and user experience measure, the smartphones truly becomes a global bank branch and solution that combine secure crypto storage with everyday payment tools are no longer a vision of the future. They're already live. What is the biggest barrier to mass adoption of crypto to fiat bridge today? It's technology or is it user psychology? At this point, it's mostly user psychology, I think. The technology has measured dramatically instant settlements, stable coins, secure wallets. All of that already works. The real challenge is trust and habit. People are used to banks, even if they are slow or expensive. Crypto still feels unfamiliar and creates fear. Many users associate crypto with loyalty or complexity, even when they're only using stable coins or simple payment flows. That's why successful adoption depends on making crypto invisible. When users don't feel like they're using crypto, but simply paying, sending, and saving money, adoption follows naturally. The best bridge today focus less on education and more on reducing friction. How does the concept of efficiency value translate into real savings for typical users of the Trusty Plus platform compared to a standard bank? Efficiency creates value in a very concrete ways. I think with traditional banks, efficiency shows up as fees, delays, and poor exchange rates. You pay for intermediaries' manual process and outdated systems, even if you don't see those costs clearly. When money moves instantly and directly, many of users' costs disappear. For users, this means faster access to funds, lower conversion fees, and fewer hidden charges. Over time, that adds up to real savings, especially for people who move money internationally or work across borders. Platforms like Trusty Plus are built around minimizing steps, fewer conversions, and fewer middlemen and faster settlement. This efficiency doesn't just feel better, it direct impact how much of our money you actually keep. For those who are still hesitant to switch from fiat to crypto, what would be your number on argument to provide that the crypto breach is real for daily use right now? I think that it's Trusty Plus. My main argument would be you can switch crypto to fiat in better rails. You can keep using euros or dollar, just transported in a more efficient way. Modern crypto bridges allow people to pay rent, buy groceries, travel, and receive salaries without changing their daily behavior. The complexity stays behind the scenes, while the user experience feels familiar and reliable. The technology is already there, regulation is catching up, and real users are using these systems every day. At this point, the questions isn't whether crypto bridges are ready, it's whether legacy system can keep up with what users now expect from money. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for attending the webinar and for your questions. Have a great day. Bye.